U-Omotoso ubonakale ehamba yedwa ephelekezelwa izikhulu zomnyango wezasekhaya. Umnyango wezasekhaya uchaze u-Omotoso njengomuntu ongafuneki kulelizwe. Umtshela ukuthi akumele abuyele eNingizimu Afrika ingakapheli iminyaka emihlanu.
We have explained to him that he is a prohibited person, and that means that he would not be allowed to return to the country for a period of 5 years. The process to make sure that he is aware of that and he understands his rights. The right that he has is to then apply, at the expiry of that 5-year period, is to apply to the department to request permission to come back to the country. At that point, the department would look at the information and the motivation that he would have provided and make a decision at the time.
Umndeni ka-Omotoso usekhona lapha eNingizimu Afrika okubalwa kuwo nonkosikazi wakhe. Umnyango wezasekhaya uphakamise ukuthi unkosikazi wakhe naye alandele izinyathelweni zomyeni wakhe.
We also noted that he hadn't a family in the country, so the wife might still be around. But the conversation that I had quickly with him this morning is that he should also encourage his wife to leave the country on her own accord.
U-Omotoso engakwazi ukufaka isicelo sokubuyela kulelizwe emva kweminyaka emihlanu.